John, did you know 84% of people that watch our videos are not subscribed? Yeah. Yeah, so subscribe, guys. Grizzly Cave, so 9, I think. We have, how many jobs we got this weekend? This one, Snorkel, and maybe, just maybe, the one Sunday with the clutch. We figure out if Atlantic Rec got it. I like the bumper. This is just a nice bike. Is it 2018? I think he said it was 2018. Yeah. You got the little shock covers that John wants. They're actually pretty cool. They're really cool, actually. There's a Velcro on. There's a nice light bar on there. The much needed skid plates that I don't have. I like these. I don't know why. I just like these a lot. You probably only got them on eBay. But the little dice, black waters, ITP rims, good old rocks, power med handlebars. Yeah, we'll get this mess sorted out. I'm over here slaving away. Grab one of those. Look, actually, it's probably like a couple hours, but yeah. Anyways, guys, really, let me sit down for this. John forgot the wieners today.
Cheese wieners.
Cheese wieners.
That's what's on.
I don't know if we're not gonna eat today or something. I don't know. Our work production just went down about 50%.
I'm not driving 15 minutes back there to get cheese wieners either.
All right, boys, we're gonna clean up, get her in, bang her out, see what the buys are up at Atlantic Rec. That's about it.
All right, folks. Okay, this is Yamaha quality right here. Okay, so everyone look at this. We got 8,958 kilometers on this bike. She's at 18. First time the clutch cover was ever off of it. Stuff doesn't look too bad. The belt looks pretty good. Stuff still, the cam plate's still clean. We got a little bit of belt dust and stuff built up on the cage, but that's normal. You get that all the time.
Not bad for
9,000 kilometers. Nope. Mine's been off about 67,465 times.
Is that his original belt?
Original, yeah.
Original belt. I'm waiting for one Can-Am owner to tell me they got 9,000 kilometers on one belt. See what this looks like. 9,000 kilometers, boys.
Yep.
There you go. Woo.
Crazy. Jeez.
That's low-key satisfying. Woo.
I don't actually wore too bad.
Check all of them.
Now these weights. Oh yeah, they wore.
Yeah. You can already tell.
Look at the flat spots on them.
I can see them from here.
Yeah. Yeah, they're all oh my.
9,000 kilometers, I'm just saying.
So it's no shame for them.
No shame at all. I don't think we ever filmed in here before.
Utility knife for a razor blade.
Cool, man. Shop break there, boys.
McDouble. No pig, head chick.
Clutch is done. Wow. Brand new. Now we just need to put oil back in there and she should be good to put back together and sent home. This is a muck off shine, boys. It's a new product Atlantic Rec has. I'll show you one of the cans there now. Stuff to buy, boys. Stuff to buy. $10 plus tax. Can't go wrong. Anything with Johnny?
I messaged Mayo. I said, "What are you at?" He said, "What now?"
What now? Yeah. What's up, guys? Day number 2. Just waiting for Johnny Boy. I spilled my coffee. Johnny Boy to come and show up from his peaceful rest. He is 40 minutes late today, but that's okay. The extra sleep for me too was nice. So yeah, I'm just gonna set up a little time lapse and we're gonna get to it. New sticker, boys. One will be really cool. Atlantic Recreation sticker up there somewhere. Oh, old Honda 500's in the shed. I get Snorkel. There goes nothing. Yeah, see what happens. So it was like a few hours since the last clip. We make our own custom snorkel and customs snorkel for it all. So we had to get some parts and all that good stuff. But yeah, a few people dropped by their bikes for us. You guys seen this one last? It's John's. Got this one here. The nice skid plates on her. Gonna get a clutch job done.
Everyone got lifts besides us.
Everyone has lifts but us, yeah. That might have changed. Like really soon. Like today. Look what we got. We got sausage wings or cheese wings. Oh, whack-a-moose. Oh man. I cannot wait to eat this moose.
Bit of this, actually, we're gonna put a bit of that on here now. Oh my god.
Oh,
alright, next we're gonna go with Rush Check. Petting! They don't fit in there.
Oh man.
That's gonna be good though.
No ketchup, right?
No, you should take some money out of the funds and go get some ketchup.
Snorkel's done.
We going deep.
Real deep. I just did a lot of recording and I wasn't recording.
At all.
At all. No. Anyways, guys, this is a Honda. We painted this before we put it on, but we just coated it again just to touch it up a little bit, so we put some rags down. Right now we're going to be cleaning up a little bit and we're going to get John's Yamaha in there, his nice Grizzly 700, so for some fire mudding halos. And after that we're going to have this bad boy right here put in tomorrow for some clutch work, and we're probably going to spray him down. Might do a time lapse of that or something cool. And that'll be 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes done this weekend. Fire mudding halos are installed. It's just in daytime. They're super bright in shed. I forgot to take GoPro out and get a video. That's okay. Really, really bright. John's gonna like them. Clutch is done. It's way more. She's swift, boy. She's really swift. Now we're just gonna wash her off and we're gonna wash that one over there. I just got a snorkel done. It'll be delivering time. Muck off.
Give her a old muck off bath.
Really nice product, guys. We got the silicone shine, and we're gonna coat it with the other muck off stuff.
Some speed polish. Custom snorkel we done.
Custom.
Fully built. These are all our vent lines. Can't really see it, but in through here we have our pipe. Comes back to the airbox, switches back here.
Big tires. Well, boys, that's the video. We did 4 bikes. Yeah, 4. We did one-way bearing job and clutch job. We did the halos. We did the OM custom snorkel kit job and the other clutch job. So yeah, we done a lot of bikes. We're all biked out now. My bike here, I need to do the winch solenoid and see if it's the problem with my winch, because I broke it last run apparently. And we do John's shock because he broke that last run. So yeah, we're gonna get those done probably next week sometime, hopefully. I'm gonna try and get my motorcycle done, and my bars I got from Zombie Performance, they're really nice. When the bike's done, I had to do a full video and, you know, say it's supported by Zombie Performance for your handlebars, because they did give me a great deal on those. Make sure you guys like, comment, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Instagram, OFFROAD Dan, and Muddy Mills on Instagram. Check them out. Also, check out Brandon.atv on Instagram. We're trying to grow his account a little bit and get him on the go. Some more bike stuff. He's a Can-Am owner, so you see that one ripping and it sounds great. Also, guys, want more stickers? DM me if you got stickers. I'll buy them off you. All right, later on, guys.